Alright, YouTube, we got a quick setup walkthrough. Got the slant rack slant over the water. The neighbor started already using the pyramid this year. And then we got the wireless transmitter for the boat position. Single shot 62s and 50 millimeters. We got our straight boards angled over the water. We got 3 of these, one sitting over the water, one going left and one going right. Boat position is identical to the floating raft position in product.
One step ahead of me.
And then walk over the dock. We got all our reactions W, some V's, more product out at the end of the dock. Then over here, we got the first frontal position on the raft floating, which is identical setup to what's in the canoe.